Think about how you use your bins. It's the most used drawer in your kitchen. A lot of weight in it, a lot of splatters, a lot of things going in and out. So make sure you get the quality product for it. Wesco bin has to be the easiest bin to install. 4 screws, fix it to the box system, done. Every project is unique. That's why we have a wide range of different sizes, different configurations to suit your needs. All Wesco bin components are high quality materials, so they're very durable, easy to clean frames, and the customers won't call you back because the bins are broken. New box system from Blum, Mariba box, will give you overextension for your runners, which allows you to take the bins out easily.